Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to fix Tesla Model S no internet connection. Let's start with the most common fix, which is a soft reboot. Sit in the driver's seat and make sure the car is in park. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel at the same time. Keep holding them for about 5 to 15 seconds. The screen will turn black. Once it does, release the scroll wheels. If that did not fix the problem, try a full power cycle. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, then Safety and Security, and tap Power Off. The screen will shut down. Now wait at least 2 full minutes. Do not touch the car during this time. Do not open doors, press pedals, or interact with the screen. After 2 minutes, press the brake pedal to turn the car back on. Then, check the connection again. Next, try toggling the connectivity settings. Go to Controls, then Connectivity. Turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, and turn it off again. You can also switch Wi-Fi off and back on from the same area. If you are using Wi-Fi, go to Controls, then Wi-Fi. Select your network, choose Forget Network, and then reconnect by entering the password again. One of these steps should restore your connection. Thanks for watching.